Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So, in last class, I was teaching you about water pollution. So, let's take a quick revision what is water pollution and then we are going to move ahead. Let's take a quick revision what we have studied in the last class. So, I told you water pollution is defined as the presence of toxic chemical and bioagents in the water bodies that is a threat to human health and environment. And how the water get polluted. The water get polluted because of we throw garbage in the water, because of the sewage water that is dumped into the rivers, lake, oceans, etc. And industries, chemicals, toxic chemicals are also directly dumped into the lakes, rivers, and oceans. So all these are the sources of water get polluted. Then we taught you what are the types of water pollutant. Types of water pollutants are nutrients water pollution, surface water pollution, groundwater pollution, chemical water pollution, and oil spillage. Nutrient water pollution, I told you, some wastewater, fertilizers, and sewage contain high level of nutrients, encourage algae and weed growth in the water. So these fertilizers, sewage water, wastewater, they all contain high level of nutrients. And when they mix with the water, with the river, lake, ocean, etc., they encourage algae and weed growth, which make the water undrinkable. Also, the algae consume all the oxygen in the water, and there is oxygen starvation for the water animals, water organisms. Because of that, the water organisms dies. This is how algae look like. I already told you. Surface water pollution. But your surface water found on the exterior on the earth crust, that is ocean, river, lake, lagoons, you all can see surface water, you all can see oceans, you all can see rivers, you all can see lakes, etc. So the ocean, river, lake water, they are known as surface water, which can be seen. Hazardous substances coming into contact with the surface water, dissolving or mixing physically with the water, can be called surface water pollution. When hazardous substances, the waste, the garbage you throw in river, lake, ocean, lagoons, the industrial waste, the sewage waste, when they are dumped into the ocean, river, lakes, they make the water toxic and ultimately the reason for surface water pollution. Groundwater pollution. Groundwater found in soil or under rock structure or aquifers caused by pesticides and other chemicals, which tend to sink through the layers of soil and contaminate the water underneath. This means when we dig wells and bores, holes to get water from underground, it needs to be checked for for groundwater pollution. बच्चों, groundwater pollution, groundwater found in soil or under rock structure or aquifers, caused by pesticides and other chemicals, which tend to sink through the layer of soil and contaminate the water underneath. This means when we dig wells or bore holes to get water from underground, it need to be checked for groundwater pollution. Chemical water pollution happens in river, lake, ponds, etc. Chemical produced by agriculture or industrial activities are allowed to run off in water bodies without proper treatment, leads to water pollution. बच्चों, when the chemicals which is generated by agricultural activity, the chemical which is produced by industrial activities are allowed to run in the water bodies, that is river, lakes, ponds. This leads to lead to chemical water pollution. They are poisonous and dangerous for aquatic life. You see the chemical which is dumped into the water. Oil spillage mainly happens in huge water body. What is oil spillage? But so suppose one ship is carrying oil from to another country. Yeah, you can say whenever we import or export oil from one country to another, and if there is any leakage, that oil get mixed with the ocean, and ultimately it will cause damage to the water animals and cause for the death of many fish. Mainly happens in water bodies by improper function of ships and direct contact of oil with water. Oil spills usually only have a localized effect on aquatic life but can spread for miles. The oil can cause the death to many fish and get stuck to the feathers of seabirds, causing them to lose their ability to fly, which results to death. You can see the photo of oil spillage. What are the sources of water pollution? Industrial waste, sewage and water waste, mining activities, ocean and marine dumping, underground tube leakages. Industrial waste. Industry is a huge source of water pollution. It produces pollutants that are extremely harmful to people and the environment. Many industry uses fresh water to carry away waste from the plant and into rivers, lakes and oceans. Pollutants from industry sources include lead, mercury, sulfur, oil, and many more such harmful products. Sewage and wastewater. बच्चों sewage is a term that is used for wastewater that often contains urine and laundry waste. Many places, sewage and water that is produced by each household are not chemically treated and released into the sea with fresh water. The sewage water carries harmful bacteria and chemicals that can cause serious health problems. Pathogens are known as common water pollutants. But when this sewage water, which is dirty, containing urine, released into the sea without chemically treated, they will obviously pollute the sea. Sewage water contains harmful bacteria and chemicals that cause serious health problems. Mining activity. Mining is the process of crushing the rock and extracting coal and other mineral from underground. These elements, when extracted into the raw form, contains harmful chemicals and can increase the amount of toxic elements when mixed up with water, which may result in health problems. Mining is the process of crushing the rock and extracting coal from minerals underground. These elements, when extracted into the raw form, contain harmful chemical which can increase the amount of toxic element when mixed with the water, which may result in health problems. Ocean and marine dumping. Again, think of the rubbish we all make each day. Paper waste, food waste, plastic, rubber, metallic, aluminum waste. But so all these waste, when we dump in some ocean or marine, obviously, they get polluted. You throw packet of chips, wrappers of chips, bottles of cold drinks, wrappers of chocolates and all. So all these, when rubbish, when dumped into the ocean or marine dumping, they will pollute them. All these waste type lead to water pollution. Underground tube leakages. Many liquid products are stored in metal and steel tube underground. Liquid products like petroleum products. But so whenever you go to a petrol station, petrol pump to fill the petrol, you will see the what they do. They store the petrol underground. They store the petrol underground. So many liquid products like petroleum products are stored in metal and steel tubes underground. And in many cities, Sewage systems run in underground tubes. Over time, they rust and begin to leak. If that happens, they contaminate the soils and the liquids in them end up in nearby water bodies and pollute those water bodies. Effect on environment. What effect water pollution have on environment? Effect of water pollution on environment. Toxic water, lowering sources of fresh water. Let us see in detail. Effects on human. What are the effects of water pollution on us, on human beings? Spreading of variety of diseases like malaria, dengue, but malaria and dengue all are from the dirty water, all come from the dirty water. If there is dirty water, it will ultimately giving invitation to malaria and dengue. So spreading of various variety of diseases, drinking contaminated water, swimming, you have to drink contaminated water because water is contaminated because of you. Whatever you will give to the environment will return back it to you because you are a part of environment and you living in a environment. So spreading of variety of diseases, drinking contaminated water, swimming in polluted water. You have to swim in polluted water whenever you do swimming in some river or lake because they are polluted. You have to swim in polluted water. Contact with chemically polluted water. Effect on animals and birds. Mainly death of water animals. Bird and mammal become coated with oil. In Australia, scientists found that half of dead turtle stomach is full of plastic. Can you imagine? In Australia, scientists have found that half of that turtle stomach is full of plastic. And where this plastic has come from? Are the sea animals using the plastic? The plastic is made by humans and the plastic is also consumed, used by humans. So if we humans are making producer of plastic and the consumer of plastic, it means it is because of us the plastic has been found in the stomach of half of dead turtles. What you can do to prevent water pollution? What you can do to prevent water pollution? Turn off running water. Whenever some tap has been left like this only, you should turn off running water. Whenever you go to wash your hand or whenever you go to take bath, you should always turn off running water when you are not using the water. Be cautious of what you pour in your flush down your toilet. But to remember, toilet are not trash cans. Think before you flush. You should not flush tissue papers or any other garbage or plastic bottle or anything in your flush in your toilet because that ultimately that water ultimately get dumped into some other water bodies. It will pollute the other water bodies in which the water is being dumped. So be cautious of what you pour in your flush down your toilet. Toilets are not trash cans. Think before you flush. Fertilize correctly. But you should fertilize correctly. It means we should use organic farming because organic farming uses very minimum amount of pesticides and chemical. If we use minimum amount of pesticide and chemical, then obviously we can help in water. We can help in preventing water pollution. Participate in a cleanup. बच्चों जैसे तो you should try to keep your country clean. You should try to take time every week, or you can take out time every Sunday, and at least 1 or 2 hours you should take out and go to some beach or some place which is dirty with your friends or relatives and try to clean that area. But if you are not doing that, at least you should take part in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan that is run by Modi government. Modi government is running a very wonderful abhiyan, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. You should support Modi government. You should take active participate in that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and you should follow the rules and regulations that are being sent by the government to keep your country clean. If your country is clean, you will be clean. Spread awareness. We should spread awareness about water pollution, because if the person, if the people of the country do not know the effects of water pollution, then they will not stop. They will keep polluting the water because they do not know the consequences. Now we are studying the chapter water pollution. This unit water pollution. It taught us that what effect it will have on us also, not only on animals, not only on sea animals, but on us also. Because what comes around goes around. What goes around comes around. Getting the point? So you should spread awareness as much as you can that we should keep water bodies clean. As per my understanding, our present generation is already facing problems and diseases spreading due to water. It is a serious issue that present generation have to face and fix. Our present generation is already facing problems related to water. Diseases are spreading. We are trying. We are facing the problem, and we are trying to fix the problem so that our future generation do not have to face the problem, same problems which has been created by us. Solution is to educate youngsters about the issue by cleaning projects, awareness campus, so that they can do something to reduce water pollution. So, Bachu, this is what is water pollution. Now I am moving ahead. Now I'm moving ahead. I'm sharing the PPT with you again. Now we are going to study about air pollution. We are going to study what is air pollution. Definition of air pollution. चलिए बच्चों, air pollution is the introduction of particulates, biological molecules and other harmful material in the earth atmosphere, causing disease and death to the humans, damage to other living organisms such as food crop or the natural or built environment. Bachcho, air pollution means when the harmful materials are present in the Earth atmosphere, causing disease and death to the humans, damage to other living organisms such as food crop, environment, etc. This is known as air pollution. This is known as air pollution. Major pollutants. What are the major pollutants mixed in the air? Major pollutants which are in the air: carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter, ground level ozone. Now we are going to discuss all these pollutants one by one in detail. Carbon monoxide. बच्चों, carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, toxic yet non-irritating gas. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, toxic yet non-irritating gas. It is a toxic gas. It is a product by incomplete combustion of fuel such as natural gas, coal or wood. It is a product by incomplete combustion of fuels such as natural gas, coal or wood. Present in car exhaust. But you see that in car, whenever we drive in car, from the exhaust of car, some type of smoke is coming out. That smoke is carbon monoxide. It is a toxic smoke. It is a toxic gas. Nowadays, government has made some rules and regulations and the company which is manufacturing the cars are manufacturing the cars that do not spread the air pollution. It is compulsory. Sulfur dioxide, a chemical compound with the formula SO2. Sulfur dioxide is a chemical compound with the formula SO2. SO2 is produced by volcanoes and in various industrial processes. Coal and petroleum often contain sulfur compound and their combustion generates sulfur dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide are expelled from high temperature combustion and are also produced during thunderstorms by electric discharge, present in car exhaust and power plants, affect lungs and cause wheezing, increasing chance of respiration infection. Nitrogen dioxide are present in the car exhaust and power plants. This type of harmful gas, when get mixed with the environment, it affects our lungs. Particulates matter. The atmospheric particulate matter of fine particles are tiny particles of solid or liquid suspended in a gas. The aggravates heart and lung disease, increases risk of respiratory infection. Ground level ozone is a key constituent of the troposphere. It is also an important constituent of certain regions of the stratosphere, commonly known as the ozone layer. Irritate respiratory system and asthma, reduce lung function by inflaming and damaging heating of lungs. What are the causes of air pollution? How the air get polluted? Emission from industry and manufacturing activity. But from industries and manufacturing activity, whenever the harmful gases, when it gets mixed with the environment, it causes to air pollution. Obviously, industries and manufacturing activities, they releases harmful gases. Burning fossil fuel. Every car on a road is an addition to the pollutant in the air. Obviously. Household and farming activity. Aerial spraying of pesticide. When you spray the pesticide, it gets mixed with the environment and it pollutes air. Effect of air pollution on Earth. The greenhouse effect. The below effect of carbon dioxide is termed as greenhouse effect. The excess concentration of carbon dioxide increases the heat of atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is transparent for solar radiation. It helps ultraviolet and infrared radiation to reach on the earth. Carbon dioxide is opaque for the thermal radiation and therefore absorbs the heat of the earth, and the temperature of earth is increasing. Effect of air pollution on Earth. Global warming. Global warming occurs due to greenhouse effect. The cooler part of the world, like North Pole, South Pole, get melted day by day because because of global warming. Because of global warming, the cooler part of the world, North Pole and South Pole, are the cooler part of the world. They are getting melted day by day, and because of that, the lower part of the Earth go underwater. Because when North Pole, when the ice of North Pole and South Pole get melted day by day, the water level will increase, and as the water level will increase, the lower part of the Earth will keep on going in the water. Understand my point? Thinning of upper ozone layer. Due to increase of carbon dioxide at the atmosphere, the ozone layer becoming thin day by day. Ozone layer is the layer which protect us from the harmful radiation of the sun. The radiation, the Heat of the sun gets filtered from the ozone layer and then it reaches Earth. But ozone layer is thinning, thinning day by day. Due to increase of carbon dioxide at the atmosphere, the ozone layer become thin day by day. If the ozone layer get thin continuously, the harmful effect from the sun will harm us. If the ozone layer get thin continuously, the harmful layer of the sun will directly reach us, and we will have the effect like asthma, heart attack, and other skin diseases. Acid rain. बच्चों, increased amount of fine particulate matters in the air do contribute to heart and lung problem, including asthma and bronchitis. Now, बच्चों, in the atmosphere there is lot of harmful gas. I told you, atmosphere harmful gases from industries, from household activity will get mixed in the atmosphere. And whenever there is a rain, the rain, when it comes to the earth, the water of rain get mixed with the harmful particles in the atmosphere, and along with rain the harmful particles reaches directly to us. Acid rain can damage buildings, monuments, statues, especially those made of rocks such as limestone and marble that contain large amount of calcium carbonate. Indoor air pollution. Indoor air pollution is because of indoor. The most danger air pollution is smog from household or from smoking. So when some person smokes cigarette or anything in the house, the smoke of the cigarette is very harmful. It gets mixed in the atmosphere, which causes lung cancer, asthma, heart disease, etc. Even if you are not a smoker, the second hand smoke can cause many of health problems as directly inhaling from cigarette. If you do not smoke cigarette and any other person is smoking cigarette in front of you, you should stop that person, because that person is smoking cigarette, it will going to harm that person as well as you, because that smoke will ultimately go in your body also, which will cause lung cancer, asthma, heart disease, etc. How to reduce air pollution? How can you reduce air pollution? How can you reduce air pollution? Save energy from the house. You should save energy around the house. Switch off light, fan, heat, etc. when you leave the room. Whenever you leave the room, you should switch off light, fan, heat, etc. Ride your bike and less use of cars. बच्चों, you should ride bikes, yani bicycle, and you should not use. You should use car and bikes very, very rarely. If you are going some nearby places, you should always use bicycle, because if you are going some nearby places, also you are using the car or bikes. Obviously, the harmful gas which is released from the exhaust will get mixed with the atmosphere, and it will cause air pollution. How to reduce air pollution? Learn more, stay up to date. Join a group to stop pollution. Ride the school bus. बच्चों, suppose you are doing a job somewhere. I am doing a job at Gyan Vihar. Now in Gyan Vihar, there are 4 teachers that are going from Mansarovar to Gyan Vihar. We 4 teachers are using our own cars. Now 4 cars are going from Mansarovar to Gyan Vihar. 4 cars are spreading air pollution. We 4 of us decided that we will go Gyan Vihar in one car only, because 4 person can go to the college in one car. Now, one day I am taking my car, one day another faculty, one day another faculty, and one day another faculty. So every faculty is taking their car one by one. Now, every day only one car is going in Gyan Vihar. Previously, four cars are going in Gambia. Now only one car is going, so it will reduce air pollution. How to reduce air pollution? Tell your friend and family about air pollution. You should tell your friend and family. You should spread awareness that if you pollute, if you keep polluting the air, it will ultimately going to affect you, like lung cancer, skin cancer, asthma, many other diseases. Make sure your parents get pollution check on their cars. Make sure your relatives, your parents get pollution check on their cars. So these are the major sources of air pollution. This is the air pollution. We have discussed the topic air pollution. Now let us start the new topic, that is noise pollution. What is noise? बच्चों, right now I am teaching you. You are listening to me because you are interested in this subject. You want to gain knowledge of this subject and you are enjoying it. So you are enjoying this sound. It is not a noise pollution. Now I am teaching you and you are listening to me in front of your whole family who are not interested in learning this subject. So obviously this sound is unwanted for them and this sound is disturbing them. So for them it is a noise. In short, I mean to say sound that is unwanted and disturbs one quality of life is known as noise. Maybe the sound that is unwanted for one person may be wanted for another person. So sound that is unwanted and disturb one's quality life is known as noise. Normal sound become undesirable when it disturbs our normal activities such as working, sleeping and during conversation. बच्चों, normal sound also become a noise when it disturbs our normal activity like working, sleeping, and during conversation. You all know, whenever you are working, you need the concentration to work. And if there is noise, any sound around, it will disturb you because that sound is unwanted for you at that time because you are working, you need the concentration. So for that sound for you is unwanted, is a noise pollution. You are sleeping. We can sleep in a peaceful environment, in a quiet environment. You suppose TV is on or loud music system on is on. Can you sleep? No. You enjoy TV and loud system but when you are in the mood of party or you are in the mood of watching the television. But when you want to sleep, this sound become undesirable for you, so it is a noise pollution. Suppose you and me are talking, and third person come and interrupt. So that is also unwanted sound, and it will be known as noise pollution. World Health Organization stated that noise pollution must be recognized as the major threat to human well-being. बच्चों, WHO World Health Organization has stated that noise must be recognized as the major threat to human well-being. Noise must be recognized as the major threat out of all the pollution, land, air, water, noise. Noise must be recognized as the major threat to human well-being. Got my point? What is noise pollution? Sound that is unwanted or that disrupts the activity of balance of human or animal life is called as noise. When there is a lot of noise in the environment, then it is termed as noise pollution. When there is so much of sound that is unwanted and disturb your life is known as noise. When there is a lot of noise in the environment, then it is termed as noise pollution. Sources of noise pollution. There, these are the main sources of noise pollution: household sources, social events, commercial and industrial activities, transportation. Now let us read all these one by one in detail. Household sources. Gadgets like food mixer, grinder, vacuum cleaner, washing machine and dryer, cooler, air condition can be very noisy and injurious to health. Other include loudspeaker or sound system like TV, iPod. All these create noise pollution. Another example may be neighbor's dog barking all night every day, disturbing everyone else in the apartment. Is also a source of noise pollution. So, बच्चों in household, whenever you listen to music, you should listen to the music by earphones, by putting the earphones in your ear, so that other persons who do not want to listen to the music do not get disturbed. You want to enjoy the music now, so you should listen to the music by keeping the earphones. Why we listen to the music in loudspeaker? In loudspeaker, maybe your mother, your father do not like the music. So for them, that sound is unwanted. That is a noise pollution. It disturb their life. See, social events, places of worship, disco, and gigs, parties and social events also create a lot of noise for the people living in that area. You see, the places of worship, discos, and social events, they take place. So the persons who are living around get disturbed. In many market area, people sell with loud speakers, offer shout, other shouts out offer and try to get consumer to buy their goods. But so whenever you go to the market in city side, you see many people use loudspeaker to call to shout out the offer, whatever they are offer. But means get a shirt and get two free. Now they are shouting it out to try to get the consumer so that they can buy their product. But this type of activity is creating noise pollution. It is important to note that when these events are not often, they will be kind of nuisance rather than noise pollution. You can see the example through the photos also. Now, commercial and industrial activity. Printing press, manufacturing industries, construction site contribute the noise pollution in large cities. In these industries, it is required that people always wear earplugs to minimize their exposure to heavy noise. People who work with noisy equipments are required to wear noise-proof gadgets. Transportation. You all know airplane flying over the houses close to busy airport, trains, cars, all these continuously making a lot of noise and creating noise pollution. So today we have discussed about air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. We will continue the topic noise pollution tomorrow class. We will finish this topic noise pollution and we will take another topic also. I hope you all have understood now what is noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. Chaliye. Now I am going to show you some MCQs. We will try to solve the MCQs now. So let us try to solve the MCQ so that you can get a clarity on the topic as well as your whole topic will get automatically revised. The purpose of environmental law is to protect the humans, animals, environment and plant. Purpose of environmental law is to protect the environment. Department of Environment was established in India in 1980, 1880, 2008, 2000. Department of Environment was established in India in 1980. The disposition of solid or liquid waste material on land or underground is a manner that can contaminate the soil and underground water. What is this land pollution? Water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution. The answer is land pollution. Causes of land pollution: deforestation, misuse of pesticide, desertification, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Effect of land pollution. A. Land pollution leads to loss in the forest cover of earth. B. Species are pushed toward endangerment and extinction primarily by the two process. C. Species extinction and biomagnification is going to overthrow the balance of nature very significantly. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Prevention of land pollution. It encourage organic farming by organic food, proper garbage disposal, encourage cycling. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Dash is defined as the presence of toxic chemicals and biological agents in water bodies that exceed what is naturally found in the water and may impose a threat to human health and environment. A. Land pollution. B. Water pollution. C. Air pollution. D. Noise pollution. The answer is water pollution. Types of water pollution: algae and weed growth, fertilizer and sewage, chemical produced by agriculture industrial activity. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Sources of water pollution: industrial waste, sewage, mining, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Effect of water pollution on humans: spreading of variety of disease, yes. Drinking contaminated water, yes. Swimming in polluted water, yes. Answer is D. All of the above. Effect of water pollution on animals and birds: death of water animals, yes. Bird and mammals become coated with oil, yes. In Australia, scientists found that half of dead turtles' stomach is full of plastic, yes. Answer is D. All of the above. What you can do to control water pollution: A. Turn off running water. B. Fertilize correctly. C. Participate in a cleanup. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Ash is the introduction of particulates, biological molecules, or other harmful materials into the Earth's atmosphere, causing disease, death to humans, damage to other living organisms such as food crops or the natural or built environment. A. Land pollution. B. Water pollution. C. Noise pollution. D. Sorry, C. Air pollution. D. Noise pollution. Answer is C. Air pollution. Ash is a colorless, odorless, toxic yet not irritating gas. A. Carbon monoxide. D. Sulfur dioxide. C. Nitrogen dioxide. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Carbon monoxide. Coal and petroleum often contain carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, all of none of the above. Answer is B. Sulfur dioxide. Now, बच्चों, please everyone take a photo or screenshot and try to solve these MCQs. These MCQs will help you getting in the clarity on the topic. Please take a photo or screenshot. Please everyone try to solve the MCQs. Trust me, if you will solve the MCQs, your whole topic will get automatically revised. So after every topic, I am giving you MCQs. Try to solve those MCQs. your whole topic will automatically get revised. MCQs are very important. It will give you a clarity on that topic. You will enjoy the topic more. So, bachcho, in next class we are going to complete noise pollution and we are going to start a new topic also. So, thank you all for joining. It was again really nice having you with me. Please, everyone, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.